Hello and welcome to Savor the Southwest. We're down here on the ground looking at a Mammillaria cactus that I moved here from a different part of the land, and then I planted it under basically a little shrub that didn't make it because it needed some protection from the sun, and that's what I'm pulling out here. And this white over here was telling me that's the south side of the Mammillaria because they like the same side facing south as they started out with in life. And this little guy has rewarded my efforts of moving it by producing fruit. And the barrel cactus that we've looked at earlier has fruit on the top of it, but the Mammillarias have fruits out the sides. And this is what the fruit, it almost looks like a little chili pepper. And these fruits are delicious to eat. They really are. They're sweet. And they've got crunchy seeds inside. And I'm going to cut one open for us to look at. A Mammillaria fruit, you eat the entire thing, skin and all. Unlike saguaro fruit, where you scoop out the inside. Same with the barrel, you scoop out the seeds on the inside. This, you just eat the whole thing, and it's quite delicious. Or you can throw it in your salad if you're having salad. I should say green salad. It's not really a fruit salad sort of thing. Although I guess you could put in, it's a fruit. You could put it in fruit salad. But if you're really careful, you could go out in season and forage a bunch of these fruits. But this is more like a snack. As you hike along, you might eat some of these. And there's protein in the seeds. So here we have it. We brought the Mammillaria fruit inside. And you can see they're not huge. But they are a nice, tasty treat to have when you're out hiking. Or if you've got enough of them, you can certainly add them to your salads. And or just eat them as you get them. Thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.